All right. Now, let's get started here. All you're going to need is a little bit of cooking oil first. Here we've got some EVOO, right? Very mild flavor olive oil. And coat the boneless, skin on chicken thighs real good with it. Just like that. Now, if you never had pepper chicken thighs before, you got to check this out. And our technique today is we're going to put it on a rotisserie. All right, now, here we've thrown on some fresh ground black peppercorn. And it's snowing pepper. All right. Now, there's a lot of flavor in that pepper, right? And here we're going to apply some seasoning under the skin. It's going to kick up the flavor pretty intensely. Use your favorite seasoning. We're using our BBQ Pit Boys poultry powder. Now, let's get to the bacon part. Now, Slasher here is taking these thick-cut slices of bacon and just rolling them up like a blanket. All right? Now, what are we going to do with these, you ask? Well, this is going to add a little additional flavor to this cook, right? And you'll see at the end. Watch this. Now, here's what it's about in this particular technique. It's about the spit, the rotisserie. So what we want to do is thread the boneless chicken thigh skin on, right? Like Slasher is doing here. Now, most of you watching know how this is done, but there are newbies out there who've never done a spit chicken. So this is how we do it. And now in succession, we're going to take up this rolled up bacon. Just thread it on, just like that. Now another boneless chicken thigh. Oh, you getting hungrier or not? Another bedroll of bacon. And to shorten this video up a little bit, let's fast forward, right? I mean, and we'll finish it off with another thigh. All right, perfect. And of course, you lock it in with some prawns, just like that. Perfect. Now, this will keep it from spinning. Now, why does one rotisserie chicken or any meat? It's all about gravity, right? If you spin something, the moisture inside is going nowhere and staying inside. That's why some of those store-bought rotisserie chickens you get are pretty darn good, right? Very moist, because the moisture has nowhere to go because of gravity. It stays where it's at. All right, so we'll adjust the weights on this so it balances right. You probably know all about that, huh? Oh, man. I'm telling you, this is going to be good. Fire it up. Spin on. And this won't take long to do. We're looking for a temperature of about 165 degrees internal. We've got a temperature in the grill itself of about 325 degrees Fahrenheit, more or less. Simple, right? Now, these are jalapeno peppers in a brine. Most of you know that. There are a lot of brands out there, and there's some good ones. You got to check them out. Use your favorite brand. It's a lot about the brine in this that we're going to be using for a baste. So we put it in our fancy chopolator there, right? Give it a good grind. Now, this is one reason, like electricity was a good thing, right? Makes it real easy to do. All right, let's put our base together. So we got some water, we got some salt in there, we got some butter. And here we're going to use a couple of teaspoons of honey. Just head on over to our website to get the exact ingredients and quantities, right? Make it easy for you. And now we're going to combine our chopolator mix there. The jalapeno peppers. We're going to add a little bit of our barbecue sauce, right? Enhance it a little bit. That's Pitmaster privilege. All right. So we're going to place it on the grill for a bit just to warm it up and get all those flavorings together. And that doesn't take long at all. Oh, man. This is going to be good. Oh. You smell that? It smells good. All right. Back to the spit. We're going to baste it now with our basting sauce, our hot pepper sauce. And actually, it's not that hot, right? Jalapenos are pretty forgiving, but they add a ton of flavor, especially in a pickle brine. All right. You're going to do this several times during the cook. In the meantime, kick back. This is all about the good things in life, right? Chapter. Woo! And in the miracle of time, Guido says it's time to eat. Take a look at that. Oh, Lord have mercy. We got to pull it off the grill. Again, your internal temperature would be about 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It smells good. Whew. If you've never done rotisserie chicken before, you gotta check it out. Look at that. There's not much more to say now, huh? It's all about the jest. So this is the part where the pitmasters are going to eat in front of you, and they're not apologizing. Oh, good. Oh. Be sure to make a bunch, man. They're going to go fast. And they're also great as leftovers the next morning for breakfast, right? You know about that. And the bacon, it's like a meal in itself. Eat some chicken, eat some bacon. You got a complete meal there. Oh, thumbs up. Now, of course, you can leave now if you want, but I think we're just going to roll with this a while. Take a look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. So, because I know some of you are asking, let's get a close-up of this. Watch how tender this is. It's all about that spit and rotisserie. Moisture stayed inside where it belonged. Good. So, please subscribe, follow us, give us a thumbs up, start a chapter over on our website, and the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.